Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Let's dive into the power of consistency. Imagine it as the secret sauce that can turbocharge your channel's growth. You see, consistency is not just about showing up regularly, it's about showing up in a way that the YouTube algorithm recognizes and rewards. So how does this magical algorithm work? Well, it's a bit like a matchmaker. It's always trying to find the perfect video for every viewer, and it does this by analyzing a vast amount of data. Every time you upload a video, you're feeding the algorithm with more data about your channel. The more data it has, the better it gets at making those perfect matches. But here's the thing. The YouTube algorithm is a bit of a tough cookie to crack. It needs a substantial amount of data to work with. That's why it's so important to post at least 30 videos before expecting any significant growth. You're essentially laying a solid foundation for the algorithm to understand your content and audience. And in return, it will start suggesting your videos to viewers who are likely to be interested in them. Now you might be thinking, 30 videos, that's a lot. And yes, it might seem daunting, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Consistency is about playing the long game and staying committed to your channel's growth, video by video, day by day. Also, being consistent does not mean you have to post a video every single day. What it means is that you have a regular posting schedule that your viewers can rely on. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or every other day, the key is to stick to your schedule and deliver quality content consistently. Remember, as a small YouTuber, you're in a highly competitive space, so you need to fight to get recognized. So don your battle gear, load up on your passion, and let the power of consistency guide your YouTube journey. But hang on, consistency isn't just about how often you post. It's about the stability of your niche as well. Picture this. You're at a buffet, and there's a bit of everything. It's great, right? But then, you come across a stall that only serves sushi. You're a sushi lover, so you stick around. That's how your viewers are. They're looking for a specific type of content they can sink their teeth into. This is where the importance of maintaining a stable niche comes in. Dabbling in too many different types of content is like trying to juggle too many balls at once. Eventually, you're going to drop one. And when you do, both the algorithm and your viewers get confused. YouTube's algorithm thrives on predictability. It wants to know what your channel is about so it can recommend your videos to the right audience. Just like a good book, your channel should have a consistent theme that keeps viewers turning the page, or in this case, clicking the next video. Think about it. When you're a small YouTuber, you're in a very competitive space. You're the new kid on the block trying to get recognized. The more consistent content you have, the more YouTube can project your work to the right viewers. Those who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Yes, it's a fight to get recognized, but it's a fight you can win with consistency and niche stability. Focus on one area, become an expert in that field. Offer your viewers something they can't get anywhere else. That's how you grow. But remember, consistency doesn't mean you can't experiment. It means you stick to a specific niche and grow with it. As your channel grows, so will your understanding of what your audience wants. And as you become more established, you might choose to venture into different niches. It's like adding more dishes to your menu. But until then, keep your focus sharp. As you become more established, you might choose to venture into different niches, but until then, keep your focus sharp. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Consistency is the secret sauce that gives your YouTube channel a significant boost. By regularly feeding the YouTube algorithm with your content, you increase your chances of showing up in more viewers' suggestion feeds. But remember, consistency doesn't just mean posting often. It also involves maintaining a stable niche. The more focused your content, the easier it is for YouTube to match your work with the right audience. Switching between too many different types of niches can confuse both the algorithm and your viewers. Also, patience is key. Aim to post at least 30 videos before expecting a significant growth spurt. As a small YouTuber, you're in a competitive space, so it's a fight to get recognized. Now it's your turn to implement these strategies and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe to How to Do, and share your thoughts or questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.